This is the all-new Samsung Galaxy A55. It comes with an Exyno 1480 Super Amoled display with a 120Hz refresh rate, 50 megapixel main camera, and a 5000 mAh battery capacity. The A series has been Samsung's best-selling device lately, but I doubt this will follow same. You will notice a slight improvement to the A55 compared to last year's A54. But is it sufficient enough to warranty an upgrade? Let's find out. The design is similar to what we had last year, but this time with a flatter metallic frame and a one-side curve for the volume rocker keys and the power button. We didn't have this last year, so good stuff. The front is protected with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and the back is made of glass, which is okay if you can be careful, but mostly a matter of concern. It actually looks modern and classy, but the bad side is, if you accidentally drop this device, you can tell the rest of the story. Samsung would have at least considered the African market as they assumed to provide a TPU case in the box, but it is what it is. The inline triple camera ring at the back still maintains the traditional S-series look, which is good for Samsung as it will be easily identified out of the crowd. On top of this device, you have got a microphone, a slot for your dual nano SIM card, or you can choose to use one SIM card and an SD card to further expand the storage. We also have a cutout for the speaker, a USB Type-C charging port, and 2 additional microphones. And oh, you might have thought this device has only one speaker, but no. The second sound comes out up here when you play music, we give it a balanced sound. Nicely, this year's Samsung Galaxy A55 came with an IP67 ratings, which means you can comfortably shower with your device. No, that's not it. It means it has a dust and water resistance proof, which should allow it to survive whenever it comes in contact with these two. So there is nothing to worry about if you go out and being caught in the rain. In all, the design of the Samsung Galaxy A55 right here is cool. Mostly this ice blue color that I have here with me, but I'm finding it difficult to enjoy this device because of its boxy body and thick frame, and it's also very slippery, so you have to be very careful when operating this device. But let's overlook that and see what the display has to offer. Okay, it comes with a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with a Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection with a brightness of 1000 nits. This display is pleasant for consuming content like watching YouTube videos, playing games, and any other media you would wish to consume. It has great viewing angles, but I'm not a lover of this thick bezel I'm saying here. Not after I reviewed the Tecno Camon 30 Pro with almost no bezel, so Samsung should have done better. Also, the in-display fingerprint scanner here is a matter of concern, as you have to be very intentional when unlocking the device. And if you have a wet screen or wet fingers, you won't be able to unlock your phone, not until your hands are properly dry. And that's not the same for the Tecno Camon 30 Pro, as it responds to unlock even in wet conditions. So, what is Samsung doing? For performance, it comes with an Exyno 1480, a 4nm processor coupled with Android 14 with One UI 6.1. This is an improvement from last year's release. We also have 8GB of RAM that can further be expanded if you wish, and a 128GB of internal storage for this particular version I have here with me. The storage capacity can be further expanded to 1TB through the use of an SD card. The One UI is getting more refined by the day, and it makes user experience enjoyable. There are no bloatways, and interacting with this device feels homely. Based on it all, we will have a 4-year OS update, which is very delightful. The processor on this device handles multitasking, gaming, scrolling, and other day-to-day activities well. I played Call of Duty Warzone with medium graphics settings, and the gameplay was smooth and responsive. This device did heat up at some point, and quickly my mind went back to the Exyno's chipset. Please Samsung, can you just do away with this chipset already? It is all for crying out loud. What will happen if you give us a Snapdragon? If this device is actually heating up like this now, I wonder what will happen to it in few months to come. The 5000 mAh battery capacity on this device can serve the whole day, but it only supports 25 watts charging rate, which requires a lot of time to charge this device from 0 to 100. That is bad, you know, if I may say. How will you not include a charging brick in the box and at the same time giving us only 25 watts charging rate? That is not fair at all. I would rather go for the Tecno Camon 30 Pro with the 70 watts charging rate and the charger brick in the box. For camera, we all know that Samsung has a good record when it comes to camera, and this device right here comes with a 50 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 5 megapixel macro lens. And for selfie, it comes with a 32 megapixel shooter. Images shot with this device came out brilliant, not too saturated, nice colors and overall presentable. Take a moment and give it your judgment. Hey guys, this is the front facing camera of the Samsung Galaxy A55. I'm currently shooting Full HD Plus at 30 frames per second. So, what do you think about the video quality? Let me know down in the comment section. So guys, this is the rear camera of the Samsung Galaxy A55. I'm currently shooting Ultra HD at 30 frames per second. What do you like about this? Just share your thoughts in the comment section below. In conclusion, based on the price of 589,000 naira, which is about $450, I won't advise anyone with the old Samsung Galaxy A54 of last year to opt for an upgrade, except you just want to follow the trend. Moreover, there are better last year flagship phones at this price range, which will serve you more better than this device. I'm not totally condemning it, but the truth has to be said. Guys, what comparison video would you love me to make with this device? Drop your answer in the comment section. That was my own opinion about the Samsung Galaxy A55. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and also share to friends, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Till next time, bye and bye.